Welcome back to the Tech Motor channel and the second video in this series of the ultimate log cabin build. So the cabin is ordered. The order went in about 2 weeks ago. They told me it had an 18-week lead time, which means it could be with us, I don't know, January, something like that. But in the meantime we can work on the landscaping. We can get everything ready for the cabin, get all the steps and bits and pieces done and sorted. So that's what we're going to do today. So we've got to sort out the platform around the edges, we've got to lay some soil, we've got to put some grass seed down, we've got to move the great big tree. I think I'm going to use the tree as a bit of a retaining wall, maybe a few rustic steps using some logs, lots and lots of things. So I think it's time to go to a montage. So that's it, end of another video. I hope you liked it. A lot of digging, a lot of moving of large chunks of wood, a lot of work, but I think most of the groundwork is done now. A lot of the bits and pieces I'll leave until the cabin's up, and I've got a circular saw and I've got a radial arm saw and I can do a lot more fine joinery. But that's it. So in the next video we're going to be moving this mess, all the branches from the tree that came down. We may even bring down this tree, which is over the top of where the cabin's going to be, so just for safety's sake we might take that down as well. Lay lots of wood chip, lay a few paths, and just generally get ready for the cabin, because when the cabin arrives it's going to be winter time, so we won't want to do any of those things. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next one.